guys, welcome back to another landscape showcase from Earthworks. My name is Jason Duffney, and today we are going to go ahead and show you guys what we can do for curb appeal for a very old landscape, and also go ahead and reveal some pretty big news. We've got a 20-year-old project here that's in need of some revitalization. Homeowners on this one were actually pretty specific that they wanted something like easier to maintain, although we are going to maintain them, and they wanted it so that their landscape didn't look as full as it did previously. They don't want everything overgrown and touching. Most of all the project we've done here is going to be in the front yard. One of the things we saved in the front yard is the ligustrum up on the front left, the Vitex tree on the front right. We started off with some Lomandra, the Variegated Lomandra. Beautiful plant, easy to maintain, kind of grows on its own. And then we go ahead and add in some Blew My Mind. You guys will see that on a lot of projects. Very easy to do. Like I said, the Vitex tree on the front right, it's a beautiful native flowering purple. And then on the far left side, we brought some of that same material in. We always have this little thing that we say, front yard should be a handshake and the backyard a hug. And you'll kind of see that here in the back, as you can kind of see. We've got some pre-shots of what it looked like after the tear out. Backyard, complete gut, kept the bed lines the way they were, but came into the backyard a little more shady environment, so we're able to do some things like what you'll see here shortly with the Japanese maple, a couple different varieties of azaleas, even cast irons in the backyard. So just this garden's gonna have a little more life, the lantana, and it's gonna have a little bit more pollinating, attracting, flowering, and so on and so forth. Here we are, we're gonna wrap this landscape project up. I hope you guys liked it. Very simple, very easy, and it's gonna be something that they love for a long time. And the last thing I wanted to mention is lifetime warranty. So that's one thing that we are kicking up. And now we get to go ahead and cut her yard, fertilize her yard, pull weeds, trim hedges, and because of that, she is now a full, all-encompassing customer and gets a lifetime warranty. All right, I will see you guys on the next one.